Welcome, Nutrition Navigators. Did you know 1 in 3 adults in the US is affected by high blood pressure? Imagine if something as simple as your cup of tea could make a difference. Today's journey is all about the power of herbal teas that clean arteries. Now that's a mouthful, isn't it? And not just any teas, but the ones that are packed with benefits for your heart. We're talking green tea, hibiscus tea, chamomile tea, rooibos tea, and last but certainly not least, ginger tea. Each of these herbal teas has a unique set of benefits that can help keep your arteries squeaky clean. And who wouldn't want that? So buckle up, grab your favorite teacup, and let's dive into the world of these magical brews, starting with the ever-popular green tea. And remember, it's not just about sipping tea, it's about sipping the right tea. Stay tuned, folks. Green tea, a common guest at your tea parties, is known for its antioxidant properties. Now think about it. This unassuming leaf, when steeped in hot water, transforms into a potent health brew. It's like a superhero in your teacup. Green tea is brimming with catechins. These are powerful antioxidants that wage war against harmful free radicals in your body. But that's not all. These catechins also play a pivotal role in widening your arteries. Imagine your arteries like busy highways. Now what if we could make those highways wider, smoother? Traffic would flow better, right? Similarly, green tea aids in facilitating better blood flow, and potentially even lowering blood pressure. In essence, a daily cup of green tea could be your secret weapon in managing your blood pressure, keeping your arteries smooth and wide. So let's raise a toast to green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. Next up, we have a vibrant contender, the hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, with its captivating color, isn't just about aesthetics. This vibrant brew has a few tricks up its pedal, particularly in the realm of blood pressure management. Imagine a natural pressure regulator, working diligently to keep things running smoothly in your circulatory system. That's hibiscus tea for you. Now this isn't your typical pressure regulator. It's a natural one, with a knack for lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. That's the top and bottom numbers on your blood pressure reading, for those of us who aren't walking medical dictionaries. But hibiscus doesn't stop there. It also plays a significant role in cleansing your arterial walls. Think of it like a power washer for your arteries, blasting away any unwanted buildup. So next time you're sipping on this radiant tea, know that it's doing more than tickling your taste buds. It's giving your arteries a thorough spring cleaning. From the colorful hibiscus, we move to the calming chamomile. Chamomile tea, the bedtime favorite, has more to offer than just a good night's sleep. Now I bet you didn't see that coming. Chamomile tea, beyond its well-loved calming effects, has a knack for reducing blood pressure and managing LDL cholesterol levels. That's right, it's like having a tiny broom that sweeps away potential artery cloggers. How's that for a tea-rific surprise? Now let's jet off to South Africa, where we find the heart-friendly Rooibos Tea. This flavorful brew doesn't just provide a delightful taste to your palate, it's also a master at reducing blood pressure and controlling bad cholesterol. Imagine a tea that serves as a personal trainer for your arteries, keeping them clean and in top shape. So, as you sip your next cup of chamomile or rooibos tea, remember, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're also giving your arteries a well-deserved spa treatment. Last, but certainly not least, we have the spicy ginger tea. Ginger tea, with its fiery kick, is just the wake-up call your arteries need. Imagine a spicy superhero, zinging through your bloodstream, sweeping away bad cholesterol and smoothing the way for blood to flow. That's ginger tea for you. It's not just about the zing though. This feisty brew is known to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Now, LDL is that naughty cholesterol, the kind that likes to stick around and clog things up. But ginger tea says, not on my watch. It helps to maintain healthy arteries by keeping that cholesterol in check. And let's not forget about its role in promoting smooth blood flow. It's like a traffic cop for your circulatory system, ensuring everything keeps moving along nicely. So there you have it, Nutrition Navigators. 5 herbal teas that not only taste good, but also keep your arteries in top shape. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.